In this video, we will go over creating a mobile coupon, as well as the different types of delivery methods available to send a coupon in a text message. The first step is to create the coupon itself. To do so, we're going to go on the dashboard, and we're going to go to the Mobile Tools section and click on Mobile Coupons. From there, we're going to go ahead and click on New Mobile Coupon, and we're going to give our coupon a name, as well as a description. The description are going to be the details of the coupon itself. However, this step is optional. Once you've set that up, you're going to go ahead and hit create. You'll see you get a pop-up letting you know that the coupon's been created, and you can go ahead and close that out. From here, we want to go ahead and edit the coupon itself. And in here, we're going to go to our coupon details section, and below there, we're going to go into the coupon expiration. In our system, we have two options. The first one is an ongoing coupon. This is what's used for our loyalty rewards, anniversary club, birthday club, and auto engage features. The coupon itself is ongoing. However, the coupon will actually expire based on the issue date. You will go to expire from issue date and select how many days the customer has to use that particular coupon. If, however, your coupon expires altogether for everyone on a particular day, you want to select Expires On. In here, you can select a calendar and mark the day and time that that particular coupon will expire. Once you're satisfied with that, you can go ahead and hit Update. Please note that if you are going to use our redemption feature, you can actually add in tilde, expires, tilde, and the system will automatically insert the day and time that the coupon will expire on. Once you are satisfied with that, you can go ahead and close that particular section. Now we can discuss the different types of delivery methods available to send a coupon in a text message. The first option is using the coupon code generator. In this section, you have three different options. The first is to manually enter a coupon code. This is if you want the same code to be used for everyone. You'll simply put in the code here and hit create. The second option allows the system to generate coupon codes for you. You will determine what format you would like and how many coupon codes you'd like to be generated, up to 10,000. The third option is to import coupon codes. In here, you will import the file that you've created with all the coupon codes, and our system will use those codes instead. Please note, if you're going to use coupon codes, our system does not provide any redemption or tracking information. Once you've selected which method of coupon codes you'd like to use, you can go in and set up your text message. When you create your text message, you will create it just as you would any other, except this time you're going to use tilde, coupon, tilde at the end to insert that coupon code. Once you've put this in the text message, you'll get a pop-up letting you know you still have to select the appropriate coupon. Once you've done that, your text message is complete and you can go ahead and send it out. If, however, you're interested in using our redemption feature, you'll want to go to the coupon redemption and sharing section. Our redemption system allows you to generate a unique link that connects to our redemption widget that displays the coupon and allows you to track the redemption of each individual coupon issued. To do so, you're going to open up this section, and where it says Linked Redemption Widget, you're going to go ahead and select the redemption widget that you've created. Then you'll go ahead and hit Update. Now your coupon has been linked to our redemption widget. The next step is creating your text message. In this scenario, you'll create your text message. You'll use tilde, redeem, tilde. Again, you'll still have to select the appropriate coupon. The third method is to use our share feature. This combines the redemption capabilities of our redeem feature as well as the ability for your customers to share coupons with their friends and family. To use this, in your coupon redemption and sharing section, you'll go down to coupon sharing and you'll mark that as on. From there, you can determine who can share. If only individuals who receive the initial coupon can share the coupon, you want to mark this with a check mark. If anyone is allowed to share, you can go ahead and leave that blank. Additionally, you can insert information onto your share page or receive offer page simply by adding the text here. This is an optional step and only if you choose to do so. Once you are satisfied, you can go ahead and hit update. To use the share feature in a text message, you'll simply go to your text message, and this time you're going to insert tilde, share, tilde, and select the appropriate coupon. Now your coupon's created and your text message is complete. You are all set.